The Harvest Birds by Blanca Lopez de Mariscal.
In a little town where everyone knew everyone, there lived a young man called Juan Zanate. He was given this name because he was always seen with one or two Zanate birds. Juan used to sit under his favorite tree, dreaming and planning his life. He had wanted to have his own land, as his father and grandfather had. However, when his father died and the land was divided, there was enough for only his two older brothers. Because of this, Juan had to go to work in the shops of the town. If only I had my own land, my life would be different, Juan thought. He went to see Don Tobias, the richest man in town, and asked to borrow a little piece of his land.
هيا تعلم فالعلم خير معين وتقرب به إلى الله رب العالمين.